Hello, my name is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make bread chicken pops. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So for today's recipe, I'll be using sliced bread, or what you know as a sandwich bread, boiled chicken, boiled potato, chopped carrot, chili to give it some peppery taste, salt, Mayomix as my sauce, flour mix, and breadcrumbs. The first thing I did was boil my potato and my chicken, and once the chicken was ready, I debone it and cut into smaller pieces, and I sliced my boiled potatoes and my chili. I added everything into a bowl, add my carrots and my Mayomix. And if you are one that always like to find the balance between mayo and ketchup, I would recommend this for you. It's very good and you would love it. So you can get it from any of the supermarkets around you, and feel free to add in any other thing you love here, especially if you have some herbs at home. You can add it in and just mix everything together. Add ingredients that suit your preference. So feel free to freestyle with the ingredients you use for this recipe. Once this is ready, I set aside and proceed to making my flour mix. And for that, I use half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some water, and I mixed well. Ensure you mix well and there is no lump in your flour mix, because this is where we are going to dip in our bread pop first. And once this is ready, you set aside and get your breadcrumbs. You can either buy your breadcrumbs from the supermarket or you make yours. I actually make mine. So if you are interested in how to make your breadcrumbs, let me know in the comment section and I will upload a video on how to make and store your breadcrumbs. Pour your breadcrumbs in a flat plate, because you need a flat surface to be able to roll your bread pops well. And the next step is preparing your bread, and here all you need to do is to cut off the edges of the bread and roll out the bread. And for this, you have to first sprinkle some water on the bread to enable the rolling, because we need the bread to be flat. And here I would advise you sprinkle some flour on your rolling pin the more bread you roll, to prevent the rolling pin from getting sticky. Are you a bread lover, or are you always on the lookout for new bread recipe? Then this video is for you. Ensure you try it out and leave a review in the comment section. And now that everything is set, the next step is rolling out our bread pops. And here you put in some filling on your flattened bread, roll, dip in the flour mix, and roll out on the breadcrumbs. And you do this until all the fillings are used up. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux Delight, and on this channel I upload easy and yummy meal recipe, early drink recipe, travel vlog, studying and living in Germany, and some other lifestyle video. So ensure you subscribe and click notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. You can either decide to fry your bread pops in an air fryer or in oil. Here I did both, but I would prefer the air fryer method any other day because it helps to save oil. And do not forget your pop stick. Like I mentioned earlier, I divided my bread pops into 2. So for the set in the air fryer, I melted some butter and spread on it. And I used the potato fries presets setting on my air fryer, which is 200 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes. And keep an eye on your bread pops. Do not forget to flip over at interval. And for the other set, all I did was just fry in oil. For someone like me who is not really a big fan of bread, I really enjoyed this recipe, and I'm sure you would also enjoy it. So will you be giving this a try? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.